Yo, it's almost 10 p.m. here in Bali, and one of my boys just shouted me. It's his birthday today, and he was like, yo, I want to go climb a mountain, Mount Bator. I think it takes 4 hours to go up, 4 hours to go down. So we're going right now, and yeah, I want to bring you guys with me. This is the outfit. New Balance long sleeve, cargos. I got yellow socks because I got a yellow jacket. But I'm gonna be wearing my Halloween Air Forces. I don't really have hiking boots. But yeah, literally just raw dogging this mountain. First mountain that I climbed in forever. The last one I done was when I was a kid, but that wasn't like proper mountain climbing. But yeah, I'm climbing a mountain in Bali today, so come join me. But yeah, just gonna put this jacket in my bag, go to the shop, get some water, get some food for the trip. We're going to be walking up for the next 4 hours to catch sunset, and it's also a 3-hour motorbike drive there. So yeah, just doing a madness right now. You can see pitch black outside. There's all bugs and shit. Look at this. Trying to get in my room. Gotta make sure I leave the lights off. But yeah, let's get it. Cool, literally leaving the crib now. I almost forgot my knee support. Yeah, climbing a mountain with a flipping bad knee, but hopefully this knee support does me good. I just couldn't miss it because it's my boy's birthday. But damn, let's close the door. Get on this bike. Hello, apa kabar?
Baik.
Bagus.
Bagus.
Oh, YouTube video.
Oh, you YouTuber?
YouTube. Say hello.
Hi.
Let's go. Been waiting for my boy for like 30 minutes now. One thing I can say about Indonesians, their timing is poor. I love you guys, but timing's so off all the time. But had to pull up to this waffle joint, smelling too nice. Just gonna eat some waffle while I wait and get some energy for the mountain energy. Yeah, I got half tiramisu, half chocolate. I already know it's about to be a banger. Terima kasih. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Package secured. Yeah. Half tiramisu, half chocolate. But that is a good waffle. Let me try this tiramisu. Oh, my brother's a chef. It's perfectly crispy. Crispy, but then fluffy on the inside. And it's got that actual waffle taste. They don't just taste like eggs and flour. Nice one. Gonna get me fueled for that mountain. Who would have thought as well? Tiramisu waffle. Well, good idea. So this is how we're pulling up. Got some chocolate biscuits, coconut flavor, big water bottle, isotonic drink, garlic peanuts, fake Pringles. Just gotta make sure we got that energy, man. The birthday boy in the house. How old are you? 22?
21, bro.
What's up, man? What's up? Say yo.
Yo. Yo, bro.
This is the crew. We're getting ready to climb Mount Bator. So it's a 2-hour drive. We're literally going past Ubud, starting from Uluwatu. I'll even put up a map to show you the route. Yeah, man, exciting. Quick update, guys. We just pulled up on the side of the road because Oh shit, my hair looks fucked. We just pulled up on the side of the road just for a quick break. My ass was hurting. Everyone's ass is hurting. We were driving for like 2 hours. We're high up now. That's why the jacket has got put on. Outside with my boy. Yes, sir. And yeah, they just got in the shop right now. I think they're getting some drinks or whatever. Yeah, we are literally in North Bali. Came from South Bali. That's what's going on. Crazy. Yeah, man.
Coffee, brother.
Kopi.
Kopi bagus.
Wait, when I say it's cold, I literally haven't felt like this in 7 months. Like, this reminds me of England. This England coldness, bro. So
we fly from Jimbaran to England.
Jimbaran to England. Welcome to England, Bagoose. I take you to England for your birthday, bro. Welcome.
Thank you, thank you. I'm a bule now.
Nggak tahu dia Le. Kita tengok picture set tak kayak apa. Iya.
YouTube video, bro.
Oh ya.
Tongsis. Unit. Apa yang ngomong tongsis?
Whoa, what's up, bro? How is that?
Fokus ke dia, on dia kok di.
This is not even cold, man. This is hot in England.
No way, bro. Is it cold, man?
Yeah, England. This is like summer in England.
You know what, my
For real. Welcome to England, mate.
yeah, I'm a bule right now. So I'm a bule right now. So I run my guide. Ah.
Yeah, I'm drinking hot chocolate with a straw. Guys, not even kidding. It's very cold right now. I brought my boy to England.
Yeah, bro. Welcome to England.
Welcome to England, bro. Fuck. I feel like I'm back in England, man. It sucked. It's so cold. We're very high up right now. It's 2 a.m. About to walk 4 hours up this mountain. Not even sure why I'm here, to be honest. Hopefully there's no like snakes, nothing dangerous. But yeah, this shit's kind of wild. We just start the hike, the walk up the mountain, and Bagoose is tired already.
No, man. I don't know. I wanna. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, bro.
He's already tired, man.
Who's tired? Kind of cool here. Going here in the dark, but we can't see nothing right now. We're just using our torches. But I know when the sun rises, it's gonna be quite magical. When everything has light shined on it. Let's go, let's go! Bagoose, show them how to do it, man. Whoa, whoa! You try and kill me, bro. Damn.
Sorry, man. I'm sorry, man.
Bagoose, bro, be careful, bro. Whoa! Hey, Mr. Guide, be careful, bro. What the hell? Bagoose, what are you doing on the floor, man?
we got. So now we're gonna go back.
Finish already?
Finish already, man. It's quick
Oh, 10-minute trip here.
trip. We got in London.
Oh, guys, we're like 20 minutes in. How long is it? 4 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, Mr. Benjamin. Mr. Batman,
Hey, brother.
what do you have to say?
Welcome to England.
Oh, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, guys. We're literally only like 20 minutes in. I'm blowing. I think because I got the wrong footwear on. These Halloween Air Forces got no grip on them.
Hey, Mr. England.
Yeah.
You okay, Mr. England?
Yeah, I'm okay. You okay?
Yeah, man.
You need some help?
No, bro. I can squat in A5.
Watch, it's actually slippery. Loki, don't know how we're gonna make it, but let's see. Yes, Mr. Bagus. Well done.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Welcome to England.
Oh, Mr. Benjamin. Well done.
Welcome.
Look at the stars. Yeah.
That's squat.
Honestly, quick update. I thought this would be light work, but we're actually like, how long have we been walking for? Only like 20 minutes, right?
No, it's 2 minutes.
I'm tired, and it's so steep.
I'm tired also, brother.
Yeah,
Look,
man.
Mr. Batman sweating inside.
This guy still hasn't taken off his jacket.
Yes, too much like, how do you say?
Dust.
Dust, too much dust, but
Oh yeah, there's a lot of dust.
I need masker for
Yeah,
myself.
so Mr. Batman, Mr. Healthy right here.
Mr. Healthy.
Yeah.
I'm not sweating though. Look.
Yeah, me too, not yet.
Not yet, are you sure?
Yeah, bro, look at me. I'm good, bro. Look at this. Look at these stars. So clear. The camera's not even gonna pick it up, but so many stars. You know what, guys? I clocked it. What? It's a mixture of strong feet and then light feet. Because sometimes if you push your feet too hard.
Sing with me, how great
Alright, we're singing. Nisaga. But if you push your feet too hard, I can't even see nothing. If you push your feet too hard, you're gonna slip on the rocks. Alright, let me turn this off a bit.
You okay, dude?
Yeah, man. Whoa.
Be careful, brother.
Be careful, guys. Wow, be careful. Wow. We got the red moon right now as we're approaching sunset. The stars just get better and better. Look at that one glistening. Wow. Shade, I wish you were here, because this is beautiful. We just reached
We just got
the top of Mount Everest.
Mount Everest. So we got a, you know what? We got a Warung Everest and behind us.
Local Warung Everest. We wait for the sun to come up and have a nice time.
No, yeah, bro, we got that. A few hours.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Di-center mo pa yun.
Center?
Yato.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's a video. Almost at the top. That wasn't actually the top. I thought it was, but now we're going to the actual top. Yeah. Whoa, Batman! One thing that's very crazy to me is how trees are still growing up here, even though we're so high up. Look at the view. these trees, they must be really deeply rooted, like, all throughout the mountain, which is pretty mad. Almost at the top. Almost at the top. I know I keep saying it, but for real, we almost there. I'm gonna look up how high this is and throw it up on the screen. I'm actually interested. Yeah. Oh yeah. We just reached the top of the mountain. Yes, sir. Batman, welcome.
Hey, welcome to December.
Yeah.
It's like
December.
Welcome to
Merry
December.
Christmas! Yeah. I don't know if you can see the view now, but we're gonna wait for the sun to rise. Yeah. Stars are clear. Phone's not even gonna pick up how nice it looks in real life. That's the present mood. Phone's not gonna pick up. Good. Yes. Sun has officially risen on Mount Batur. Here, the team made it to the top. I'm here with the one and only Batman.
Alan Walker.
Yeah, boy.
Welcome to England, brother.
Yeah, welcome to England. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Tell them like and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we. Yo, guys, the sun is rising right now, and we got a stupid drone ruining the picture. Boule. Move the drone. We want to see the sunrise. Welcome to Mount Batur. Okay guys, not gonna lie, my phone died, so I couldn't get the video coming down the mountain, but it was super cool. I got some footage on by Goose's phone. We got some good content, so I'm gonna throw that up for you guys. Yes sir, man. I was literally falling asleep on the bike. Tell them.
He was asleep on the bike and he was
Yeah, dude. So tired, man. So, but now, let me show you where we're at, because it's actually really beautiful. We're chilling in this restaurant right now. The boys. My boy on TikTok live. And look at the view. Wow. What a nice view. Oh, perfect timing. Happy birthday.
Welcome to Kintamani.
Yeah, happy birthday, Bagus. Happy birthday, Bagus. Cookie man.
Who has this idea, bro? What the fuck?
This says happy birthday, Bagus. Pokimai. What does Pokimai mean, bro?
Still bagus ya? Fukimai is like your name ya? Nice.
What a dope birthday. Batur. Look at this view though. This place is dope. We're in Kintamani. Wow. This is crazy. Look at this. Look at life thriving. This is that island energy I'm talking about. These are volcanoes right here. Let's climb them. Climb that one. So dope. Yeah, man. an amazing life, honestly. Very happy to celebrate that birthday with my friend and have such an amazing experience.